Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a TP-Link Deco to your modem for whole home coverage. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your TP-Link Deco unit and ensure you have all the components. Locate your modem, which is the device connected to your internet service provider. Unplug the modem from the power source to ensure safety during the setup. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the Deco unit. Insert one end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN port on your modem. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the WAN port on the Deco. Plug the modem back into the power source and wait for it to fully boot up. Next, power on your Deco unit by plugging it into an electrical outlet. Wait for the Deco unit to light up and indicate that it's ready for setup. Download the TP-Link Deco app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions, and when prompted, select Set up a new Deco. The app will ask you to scan the QR code on your Deco unit for identification. Once scanned, the app will guide you through the configuration process. Select your internet connection type if prompted, usually set to dynamic. Customize your Wi-Fi network name and password as desired. Review the settings, ensuring everything is accurate. Tap Finish in the app to complete the setup. The Deco unit will now connect to your modem and establish your Wi-Fi network. Give it a few minutes to finalize the connection and synchronize with any additional Deco units. Once the setup is complete, you can place additional Deco units around your home for whole home coverage. Test your Wi-Fi connection in various areas to ensure reliable coverage. Adjust the placement of the Deco units if necessary for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.